is the apple.
Yeah, very good. That is an apple. All right, that is a fruit. And what is your favorite fruit? All right, so apple is for a word that starts with letter A. So aside from apple, we have the word
Alligator.
alligator. That is correct. Another one.
Ant.
Okay. How about for letter B? The first word is,
Book.
oh, that's correct. Book. Another is
Bat.
bad. Very good. How about another one?
Bat.
That is correct. Good job for that one. Okay. So now let's continue. Another is letter C. Okay, for letter C, the first word is
Cat.
cat. And
Cow.
how about for this?
Cob.
Okay, that is this one. This is
Cat.
cap. Okay, you say
Cat.
the word cap. Okay, this
Cat.
is pop. Okay, this is pop.
Cob.
All right. You know what? The pronunciation for that is not the same. It's not really the same. The other one is tap, tap, and the other one is cup, cup. It's A and it's U. A and U. All right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue right now. And I want you to have this one. You read the image card. Okay, let's start with BR. Word that starts with BR. You read
Mm, for eyes.
bride. You say the word, it's bride.
Bright.
Okay, next.
Brick.
Brick, brick. Say
Break.
it. Brick. Yes, another one.
Bright.
Okay, this is brick. You see the difference. This one, okay, this picture, that's what we called brick. But
Brick.
then this one, that is just pronounced as break.
Bright.
Okay, and then we have
Bright.
brave. Say it, brave.
Bright.
Very good. Okay, now how about for the word that have OA? We have OA. Let's start with the first word. That
Boat.
is boat, boat.
Boat.
Okay, another one is
Coat.
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 Okay, next is
Soap.
soup, soup.
Soap.
Okay, and we have
Road.
road. You say it, road.
Road.
Okay, very good.